In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Apple Card as a payment method on Amazon, allowing you to seamlessly use it for all your purchases. While Apple Pay in itself cannot be used directly on Amazon, adding your Apple Card to your Amazon account is a straightforward process that will enable you to enjoy the benefits of your Apple Card for your online shopping needs. Let's start by heading over to the Amazon website. Once you're there, look for your account section. You'll find this in the top right corner labeled as Account and Lists. Click on it, and then from the drop-down menu, select Your Account. This will direct you to a page that lists various options related to your Amazon account. Next, we're going to adjust your payment settings. Scroll down to find the Payments and Shipping section. Here, you'll want to click on Your Payments. This is where Amazon keeps track of all your payment methods, and it's the gateway to adding your Apple Card. Now, it's time to add a new payment method. You'll see a button labeled Add a Payment Method. Go ahead and click on that. Amazon will present you with several options for adding a payment type, and we are interested in adding your Apple Card. To do this, select Add a Credit or Debit Card. A new form will appear, prompting you for your card details. Here, you'll need the 16-digit card number, which is uniquely assigned to your Apple Card. Additionally, make sure to enter the expiration date and the CVV code. These are typically found directly on the card itself. Once you've filled in all the required details, review them to ensure they are accurate. With everything correctly inputted, it's time to complete the process. Follow the prompts that Amazon provides to finalize adding the card to your account. This may include confirming some details for security purposes, so keep an eye out for those additional steps. Now that you've added your Apple Card to your Amazon account, using it for payments is simple. Next time you're shopping on Amazon during the checkout phase, you'll be presented with a list of payment methods. From there, you can easily select your Apple Card to complete your purchase. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've successfully integrated your Apple Card with Amazon, giving you the flexibility to enjoy your purchases with the convenience and benefits that your Apple Card provides. Happy shopping!